You don't need any skills to do this. This is worldwide and completely free to do. And this is my earnings for the last 30 minutes, literally clicking links with this auto-click system. This is not going to be surveys. This is not going to be affiliate marketing. This is not going to be drop shipping. This is not going to be drop servicing. We're not going to be creating any content. This is not going to be Forex trading or anything like that. This is a great way to make a little bit of extra money. This is not going to pay a lot of money at all. I will be honest with you, but it's a great way to collect some extra cash, to reinvest into ads, to hopefully scale another business, or if you just want extra money for spending money, for buying some food, entertainment, you name it. You don't need any social media following, and you don't even need your own website to do this. All you need is the two platforms that I'm going to show you in this video, and you can make money online with this auto-click strategy. Before we get started with this video, be sure to subscribe down below and make sure you put that notification bell on, and also go and follow me on Instagram over here. You're welcome to view some of my podcast content that I'm uploading, some of my Forex trading results as well. You can message me over there, and I'll try reply to all of the DMs. Over here, before we get started, I just want to show you some of my live results from this. You can see using this link clicker, I've had over 9,046 clicks, and I've earned over $46 so far with a CPM of $9.1. Now, like I said to you, this is not a lot of money at all, but this all literally took about 30 minutes because the whole system is automated. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to click links 9,000 times. It's going to be running on autopilot for you, and this is literally passive income for the next 30 minutes. And I'm not showing these earnings to flex or anything like that. I'm just showing these earnings that I've earned from this. Your earnings may be different. Other people's results may be different, but I mean, I've shown you and proved that this is working. So all I'm doing is I'm just showing you that this does actually work. And this is the website we are going to be using to make money with this auto-click system. It's as simple as this. You can go and paste any URL over here. You click on this forward button and it will form a link for you. And every time someone clicks on those links, you will get paid a commission for that. So this website has already paid out $18,000 to their publishers. And I can actually show you some of that proof over here. So here's a person who got paid $24, $7, $91, $10, $31, $19, $10, and all of these payments are paying via Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is accepted worldwide. You can sign up for a Bitcoin wallet on any wallets online. You can just search on Google free Bitcoin wallets. You can enter your address and you will automatically get paid in Bitcoin. And the great thing about getting paid in Bitcoin, the value and appreciation of Bitcoin has gone up by over 70,000% in the last 8 years. So your $11 could be hundreds of dollars in 5-6 years down the line if you leave that in Bitcoin. If you click on the publisher rates on the top over here, you can get an idea of what they're paying. So take a look at this. Countries from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany are all paying between $5 and $11 per 1,000 clicks that you get on a link. Now that may not seem like a lot, like it may sound difficult to get 1,000 people, but it's actually not that hard at all. My average CPM has been 9.1, as most of my people have been coming from these top 3 countries over here, which is averaged out to 9.1. Most of my traffic is actually coming from the United States because of the specific strategy that I'm using, as this whole auto-click system is literally just being redirected to the United States. And just to show you some of the positives of this website and why you should run this auto-click system is because it's a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you also get paid. So you get paid completely for free. How do you earn? In these 3 easy steps over here: create an account, shorten your link. Every click you get, you're going to earn money. There's also a 10% referral bonus. So that means every time you refer someone to this website, you get 10% of the earnings for life, which can be a lot of money if you actually get a lot of volume to this website. I mean, 1,000 people earning 10% of 1,000 people, it adds up to a lot of money. You get an entire administration dashboard and panel where you can manage your entire auto-click system, detailed statistics, very high rates, and a low minimum payout. You need only $5 on your account before you can get paid out. You'll actually see over here on my dashboard, my available balance has gone up to $46, as that has surpassed the $5 limit, and that is now available for withdrawal. You just click on the withdraw tab over here, and then you enter your Bitcoin wallet, and that will be sent to you via Bitcoin. Over 20 million clicks have been made on this website, over 3.8 million total links, and over 10,000 registered users. The next thing you want to go and do is you want to go and search for a free course on Udemy. Because what we're going to be doing is we are going to be giving away free value. With this, you auto-click URL system, we don't want to be selling anything because that's just going to make people click off. We want to give away something for free, which will entice people to click on our link, which is how we're going to get paid. So this is how it works. We can come over to Udemy and you want to look for any kind of course that you think will be valuable to an audience. We can go look for a dropshipping course, an affiliate marketing course. We can even just go look for a make money online course over here, and that will be valuable to people. A free make money online course that will teach you how to launch your own online store, sell products, and get paid online. So over here, if we come over to the price section over here, click on free, and you will see a whole bunch of free courses over here. The online business crash course, how to launch yours today. So what we can do is we can click on this course over here. You can see people can enroll completely for free. We want to copy the link to this course, come back to the homepage of our website, which is called payskip.org. That's payskip.org. Paste your URL over here, click on shorten, and it will then generate a short URL that looks like this. So I just entered in my alias over here, make money online for free, just to show people that what this link is about. So that's the first thing that they read, and it's not this long spammy URL. Then you want to come over to canva.com and you want to go and create a post that looks like this. So I've already created it just to make this video not so long and boring and typing this whole thing out for you. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below to the specific template in the description down below. You want to go and type something like this. To mark the launch of our brand new page at Make Money Online giveaway, we have an awesome competition for you guys. All of you get a free Make Money Online course worth $4.97. To enter, follow these steps. Share this post and post it on your story while tagging us. Share this post with your followers. Follow our page giveaway. Click on the link in the bio to download your course. You must do all of the above to get your course. So the whole idea of this post is it's naturally going to replicate virality by itself. So in the beginning, things may go a little bit slow, but as soon as you have 1 or 2 people do all of these steps, all of their audience is going to see this post, and I can tell you that the majority of them will want to get a free Make Money Online course. So what are they going to do? They're going to go like this post, share it, follow your page, and that is a whole nother viral ripple effect. And now all of their followers are going to do the same thing, and all of their followers, and all of their followers, and that's how you get to thousands, tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of clicks through your link over here that is going to pay you every time someone just clicks on the link. As you read on this post over here, we need to go and create an Instagram page, such as this one over here, which is a really good example. We've got another Make Money Online page like this, and another page like this. And all these people are doing is literally providing free value. Now, what you want to go and do is you want to go and create something similar, and you want to have a link in your bio with that same link that this URL shortener made for you over here, and you want to just say click here to download your free course, which will take them straight to the Udemy page, and through that link you will get monetized and get paid per click. And then you want to post your first post as this post over here, share it on your story, even run a couple of ads on it just in the United States, because remember, this website is paying the highest in the United States, so that all the clicks you get out the United States is going to pay the most. And then as soon as you get a bit of traction going on your post over here, you're going to get shares, it's going to go viral, and that's how the ripple effect is going to start. But just to give you a boost, you can also come over to a website called postearly.com over here. This is a website where we can completely automate Instagram pages. Now I want to show you a feature that this website has that is one of the most underrated Instagram features I've ever heard of. So here you can see if I scroll down and you come over to the plans page over here, take a look at the professional plan. $16 a month, and you can set up to 16 accounts with unlimited posting. That means you can automate 16 accounts all at the same time with the same post, or with different giveaways, with 16 different links from this website, all scaling 16 Instagram accounts at the same time. You get hashtag suggestions, viral hashtags, welcome DMs, auto repost, comment liker, auto follow, auto unfollow, auto likes, auto comments to get tons of organic engagements. This is a great tool I use for my Instagram page to manage it. If I go away for a week or a month or two, you can set this tool to completely run your Instagram page while you're gone by setting automatic posts, reposting viral posts already to replicate virality. It's got some amazing tools if you want to grow an Instagram page. Secondly, you can come over to a website called hashtag expert. Click on enter. It's the first link over here, hashtag.expert. I use this tool for my posts over here. Now how this works is it pops up on an app like this. You enter a keyword such as viral, make money online, dropshipping, dogs, cats, family, you name it, it will automatically generate the most viral and trending hashtags in that keyword niche for you to paste on your post, which will get it anywhere between 100 and 200% extra engagement on the explore page. This is an app you can go and download on Apple or iOS over here. You can come over to the website, just click on download, and it will take you to the relative store. If you'd like to learn more about what I do full-time off of YouTube, which is a term called drop servicing, where I sell rare high-income skills and services all around the world, while outsourcing that and without doing the work myself. I run landing pages, I take offers off of Fiverr, turn that into a professional corporate business looking brand, add about 200 to 300% markup, I run ads and free traffic on those landing pages, get sales, and I get the people on Fiverr to do that work and transfer that service to my clients, and I've kept over 200% markup, sometimes up to $700, even over $1,000 profit for a project. So over here I've got my entire Drop Servicing University program, where I take you through and hold your hand throughout the entire process of building your own successful online drop servicing agency. So over here, you can come over to the first link in the description. If you come over to this big blue button at the bottom over here, and you enter this following coupon on the checkout, I'm just waiting for this to load up so I can show you. Enter the term 1,200,000 over here, click on the check, and it will take about 60% off this entire program over here. So make sure to go and do that down below, and I'll see you over here.